Hello, guys. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good day, depending where you're watching from. So, we are going to be looking at the trade this morning again. We're looking at the trade this morning again and again and again. So, let's see what the market has for us today. Let's see what it has for us today. So, you already know we'll be starting with SAUSD. We started with SAUSD in started with SAUSD. So, let's go to SAUSD. So USD will be going to the daily time frame. I see there's a clear indication of very dry. So we are in a we are bullish. That is the first thing. We are bullish and we are in uptrade also. So first thing we need to look at for the market's movements, the trend of the market. So you can see we are bullish. The market is breaking to the upside. Okay, broke to the upside. So we'll go to the 4 hours time frame. The 4 hours time frame also breaking to the upside. See this, see this. This was a break of structure here. This is the other block, the recent other block that lead to this. Okay, so we go to the 2 hours time frame. Yeah, the other block here. So we go to from the 2 hours, we go to the 1 hour. 1 hour. Let me make this thing now. An hour. See this is the other block here. This 1 hour. Then we go to 30 minutes. Let me remove this and then draw this. In 30 minutes, this is the other block. This is the other block. Okay. So in 15 minutes, this is the other block also I will be going with. Okay. So this is going to be the other block that we'll be going with here. This is the other block. So all we have to do would be having our trade set up here. Let me expand this so that you can see it very clear. we'll be having our entry here. Then we'll be targeting this high. This high is what we'll be targeting. Targeting this high. Then this low now, I'm looking at this low. But we can have a stop loss that can cover all this, except we are expecting to bring this down. But we just definitely give it this. So this is what we'll be expecting here. This is what we'll be expecting from this SAUSD. Be expecting this in SAUSD. This is what we'll be expecting in SAUSD this morning. We're expecting the market to just play out like this. We're expecting this market to play out like this. So it's just a clean, straightforward market movement. There's double state too. You see how easy it is for us to just go straight to the point and then get this our entry. So it's not something that you need to start wasting time to get an entry. It didn't take us that long. The first thing now you need to do is just to find the market structure. Know your market structure, then know the trend of the market. Then you can be able to just execute. You can just execute, nothing more. It's not that hard. Not that hard. So we'll be waiting for this trade here. I'm seeing that it's rising to this high. There's an equal high here. So it's rising to this side. So definitely might even enter for a sell here before. Let me see 5 minutes time frame, see what we have there. 5 minutes. There's already a break of structure here. So let's see what it does here. See what the market does. So let me drop the conjugate now so that mention trade point is 454591.07. stop loss. Stop loss is 4 4 5 4 5 7 6 4576.42. Take profit. Take profit is 4637.07. Okay, so these are our entry levels. These are our entry levels. And remember to risk what you can be able to lose. That's the rule of the game. Always lose or risk what you can be able to lose. Risk what you can be able to lose. And from what you can see here, you see all we needed was present on this chart. We have our fair value gap. We have unmitigated order block. Then we have the liquidity here. See our liquidity. Our market will clear. We are looking at this liquidity. This is our liquidity. Then this is our fair value gap. FVG. So looking at the market coming to this our entry point and then giving us a clear buy. And also pay attention to this this other block here is also valid. This other block is also valid because it also have a fair value gap and also this liquidity also. But I'm taking it that this market will still take this one to be liquidity that it will sweep to get to the main order to this other block. So we don't want to be used as inducement also in the market. So that is it. You can drop your question also. Okay, let me go to the Great Britain pounds USD. Daily. Okay. So this market is currently reacting to this other block here. So we are still bullish here. We are bullish here also. So the market is reacting to this other block right now. So I'll go to the 4 hours time frame to see better. So you can see this at this stage now. Let me see what the market is doing here. So from here now, this other block is no longer. We have a recent other block here. So you see, we have this break of structure here. We have this break of structure here. So after this break of structure, we have this other block. The price has not yet mitigated. So we have this other block here. So when you look at this other block now, you can see price is here to mitigate it. All we have to do now, we just have to, sorry. Since price is here to mitigate it, then we'll go to the 2 hours to see what we have there. This. We have the 1 hour. We have the 1 hour. 1 hour. We have the 1 hour. Okay. So this looking clean now. We have the 15 minutes. We have the 15 minutes. So I'll be looking at the market coming back to this other block to be looking at the market coming back to this other block. Trying to make it to be filled in every side. So I'll be looking at the market to come back to this other block. Yeah. So we enter this place. Yeah. Target this high. So target this high. So I expect this place now to be an inducement liquidity that the market will sweep up, and then come inside this other block and then go towards our direction. So that's what I'm expecting this market. That's what we are expecting. So we are expecting this market to just okay, so let's do the rate to 10 pounds JPY. Okay, the conjugates.
particular South. Go and check the election results of 2007. President Buhari had 11 million votes before in 2008. But in 2011 and 7, he had 7 million votes against Erdogan. Because they were sensitive. And he couldn't win it.
So the take profit is 3, 4.
In the South, PDP is in 8 government houses. APC is also in 8 government houses. Leaving 1, that's Anambra. In the North, APC is in 14 government houses. PDP is in 5 government houses. And they have the president. So I'm giving you this analysis so that together as leaders of our party, we are working toward winning election, not zoning, not winning tickets. Yes, you can share a ticket because you can share it. And everybody will take his leave and go to zone. But you must plan to win election. That is the reality of it. You know, anybody's making. I didn't make myself to go from Sokoto to Anima. No, it's not. What could have decided for me to be born somewhere else, not in Nigeria? So we must accept these realities as a party and work with these realities to win election. After winning,
and for those of them who define Highlander, you define
26. I come back to them that today has been a life to Christ. And you make sure that I go to church every Sunday. And I go to Christ. And you make sure he stays there. Yes. Under you. I want my best to go.
this is it.
Now, somebody take out from the car, enter this house, you kidnapped him. You did not even ask for ransom, you did not ask for anything. The people that kidnapped this guy want their case. That is not the traditional way of life. And he did not look at them. The next day, they came up with sentiment, protest, looting. This is not acceptable. We must make sure that we must go after them. The way we are going after the kidnappers, the same way we go after them. Because we don't even know whether they are the one aiding them. We don't know whether they are the one giving them information. By the time we finish this operation that will happen here, this will stop in the house.
Okay, so that's it for Great Britain pounds USD. So let's do Great Britain pounds JPY. Great Britain pounds JPY. Okay, first of all, let's know our market's structure or the trend of the market. But you can see it's clear. We are all bullish. Great Britain pounds USD, we are bullish. this other block that lead to this, or this other block. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame. Let me check 15 minutes. There's something I want to check. Let's just okay. We are in the 4 hours time frame, so go back to the 5 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame. Let me clean every other thing in the charts. Remove. So 4 hours, this is a break of structure here. This is a break of structure. This is also a break of structure here. So all we have to do now is just to be working with the recent break of structure now, which with the recent other block, which is this. Okay, with the recent other block. So we'll go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, let's go 2 hours first. 2 hours first. And this other block. See the break of structure here. So we go to the 1 hour. Let me do this. 1 hour. 1 hour time frame. This our other block. Okay. So we go to our 15 minutes time frame. Let me make this so that it will not be too long. 15 minutes time frame. Time frame. So market have reacted to this other block. That's what you are seeing here. Reacted to this other block and it's already dishing up to the upside. Dishing up to the upside now. I still believe that something and the market could come to this other block, but it's kind of looking far. But I still know that market can come here. So I'll be entering here. Let me look at it very well. Let me get. So you see what I was able to. So we'll be waiting for it like this. Waiting for this chart like this. So this is what we have here. Okay, so let's go for another. We have, okay, so let's write down the conjugate for this one also. Entering is what? Entering we have 212.864. Stop loss. Stop loss we have 212.549. Then take profit. Take profit. We have 214.067. So this is the conjugate for this, the entry point for this, and we're having a clear. The market is definitely coming down now. But let me see the 5 minutes time frame to see what is happening there. Okay, once there is a change of character, you can enter. Okay, so let me go back to 15 minutes. The market is already coming down to our. So you can take a quick sell down if you. But it's not always good to trend against the trend. So you can also wait for this market to get to our entry point. You can wait for this market to get to our entry point, and then we execute. Execute. So you can see the market is already coming to the on-site. Let's see what the market is playing. Okay, can we do more pair? We have done gold. We have done Great Britain pounds USD. We have done then Great Britain pound JPY. Now let's do BTC USD. BTC USD. No. Okay. This was the previous trade we took. I see how the thing went smoothly to our TP. We nearly hit stop loss, but the market didn't reach our stop loss, just nearly. You see, we were able to hit this TP here on BTC USD. So let's do it again. Let's secure another trade. Let's secure another trade on BTC USD. So I'll go to my daily. Daily, we can see what the market is doing here. Let's look at it very well. Let's pay attention to what is happening here now. So we're having a break of structure to the downside. Then From here, we had this change. See, it broke to the upside here, which is a change of character also. And now this place now we are having an equal high, equal low here. This is just an equal low. So here now, this equal high. Okay. Let me give you a clear way to see this market now. Let me draw it this way. I see to break this break here now to give us this movement. It's here to break this point there. But currently, market is here to break to give us that clear movement. Let me go to the 4 hours time frame. The 4 hours time frame, let me 4 hours time frame. You see it broke to the upside here. So all we need to do, mark out this our other block, this other block. Let me then go to this other block. Let's go to this other block should be better. But let me go to the 2 hours to see better. 2 hours. So this 1 hour. I prefer we take this other block here. This then let's go to the 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Let me expand it so that you can see it better. So let's reframe it to this other block here. And this seems to be far. Oh my God. This is looking far. So you pay attention to this other block also. Okay, this other block has the conferences that we need also. So pay attention to this other block also. So when the market gets to this other block, pay attention so that if you have some, let's say you have some conferences that shows maybe reversal or maybe showing that the candle is about to move, then you kind of enter trade here. But for now, we'll be using this other block that is here, this particular other block. You see this one now, this one now. Why I just extended it like this now so that it can take, because market might just find a way to maybe enter here then take off. But this is also a valid order block, very valid, because we have a break of structure here. We have a break of structure. You can see a break of structure here. Then you can see we have the fair value gap here also. This one is also a valid break of a valid order block. So you can also pay attention here. This is a valid order block. This is a break of structure. This is what another block. This also a fair value gap. And these are inducement. These are liquidity also. All these are liquidity. These are liquidity. The market will later clear and get to the point. These are liquidity. So all you need to do, pay attention to what the market does here. this angle now. I'm going to put my alert here. I put my alert here. Put my alert here. Create. So I'll put my alert here so that whenever the market get there, I will be alerted. Then I will know what I'm to do. If I'm to go in for this trade, then definitely I will have no other option than to go into it for the trades at that given time. So, but for now, we'll be setting up our trade here. Setting up our trade. I will not be giving any conjugate now because we're still looking out for it to play out as we wish. Then this low, I'll be targeting it to cover this low also. So I like the fact that it's okay here. It's a little bit. So this is what I'll be working with. I'll be working with this. That's for BTC USD. That's for BTC USD. So this is what I will be looking at for in this particular trade. So guys, keep your eyes on the chart. Let's see what will happen from now. Let's see what will happen from now. Let's see what will happen from now. Keep your eyes on the charts. Keep your eyes on the charts. Let's see what will happen from now. Keep your eyes on the charts. So guys, this day we'll be looking at for these setups and then we'll be taking our trades. See you guys later. Bye. Do wait to subscribe, then turn on your notification bell. Let's see in the next video. Next stream. Bye.